Hello friends, through this video session we are going to learn about various non-renewable energy resources. The energy sources which are essentially exhaustible on their continuous use and liable to become extinct in future are called non-renewable energy resources. First, let us learn about fossil fuels. These are energy-rich substances that have been formed from long buried plants and microorganisms. Fossil fuels include petroleum, coal and natural gas. Chemically, fossil fuels consist of hydrocarbons, which are compounds of hydrogen and carbon. Hydrocarbons are formed from ancient living organisms that were buried under layers of sediment millions of years ago. As accumulating sediment layers exerted increasing heat and pressure, the remains of these organisms gradually transformed into hydrocarbons. Next is solid fuels. These refer to those solid materials that are used as fuel in order to produce energy. The solid fuels that occur in nature are wood, peat, lignite and coal. The prepared solid fuels are charcoal, coke, briquetted coal, pulverized coal, etc. Number 1. Wood. It is a hard fibrous material that is found as a chief substance in the trunk or branches of a tree or shrub. Wood consists of 50% carbon, 6% hydrogen, 43% oxygen and 1% ash. It is one of the earliest materials known to the mankind which is used for various purposes such as making furniture, as building material, in sport equipment, in arts, medicine, etc. Wood is also used from thousands of years as a solid fuel for domestic uses such as cooking and heating. Number 2. Peat. It is a partially carbonized, decomposed material found in the boggy land. It has a very high water content and therefore has to be dried before use. It consists of 57% carbon, 6% hydrogen, 35% oxygen and 2% ash. In India, peat deposits occur in the Nilgiri Hills and Palani Hills of South India. It is mainly used as domestic fuel. Number 3. Lignite or brown coal. It is a partially decomposed vegetable material having more carbon content than peat but less carbon content than other types of coal. It can be amorphous, fibrous or woody in texture. It has moisture content of 66%, carbon content 25 to 35% and ash content 6 to 19%. In India, lignite deposits in Assam, Kashmir, Rajasthan and Neyveli. It is used as domestic fuel, boiler fuel and in the manufacture of producer gas. Number 4. Coal. It is a highly carbonaceous matter that has been formed from the prehistoric vegetable deposits which have been decomposed and solidified under combined effect of great pressure and bacteria. It mainly consists of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen besides non-combustible inorganic matter. Number 6. Bituminous coal. This consists of 75 to 90% carbon and is used mainly in domestic and industrial sectors. In India, deposits are found in Bihar, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. Number 7. Anthracite coal. It is the highest class of coal containing 92 to 98% carbon and is the most perfectly mineralized coal. It is used as a boiler fuel for metallurgical purposes and domestic use. In India, it is found in Kashmir and eastern Himalayas. Number 8. Charcoal. It is a light black solid containing carbon and ash obtained by a process called slow pyrolysis, where wood or other organic matter is heated in the absence of air or limited supply of air to a temperature of not less than 280 degrees Celsius. It is used for domestic and metallurgical purposes. Number 9. Coke. It is a solid fuel with few impurities and a high carbon content, commonly made from coal. It is prepared by heating the bituminous coal in absence of air. This process is known as carbonization of coal. During heating of coal, volatile matter escapes out, leaving a dull black coherent mass called coke. When the carbonization of coal is carried out between 500 to 700 degrees Celsius, the resulting coke is called soft coke. The coke produced by carbonization of coal between 900 to 1000 degrees Celsius is called hard coke. The hard coke is used as a blast furnace fuel for extracting pig iron from iron ores and also as a fuel in a cupola furnace for producing cast iron. Number 10. Briquetted coal. It is produced from the finely ground coal by molding under pressure with or without the binding material such as pitch, coal, tar, crude oil, clay, etc. It has the advantage of having practically no loss of fuel through the great openings due to the formation of blocks. Number 11. Pulverized coal. It is a low grade coal with a high ash content, which is initially dried and then powdered in pulverizing machines. It is widely used in cement industries and also in metallurgical processes. Next is liquid fuels. These are available in nature in the form of crude petroleum. They are discharged from natural reservoirs in the earth's crust through wells which are drilled in places until the oil is stuck. Number 1. Petrol. It is also known as gasoline, which is produced in oil refineries. It consists mainly organic compounds obtained by fractional distillation of petroleum enhanced with various additives like anti-knock compounds, aromatic hydrocarbons, ethers and alcohol, and corrosion inhibitors. It is the lightest and most volatile fuel mainly used in petrol engines. Its specific gravity ranges from 0.68 to 0.76. Number 2. Kerosene. It is known as paraffin oil. It is a combustible hydrocarbon liquid obtained from the fractional distillation of petroleum between 150 degrees centigrade and 275 degrees centigrade. It is heavier and less volatile fuel than petrol. It is miscible in petroleum solvents. Its use in heating, cooking and commercial jets. Number 3. Diesel oil. It is obtained after petrol and kerosene are obtained during distillation. It is used in diesel cycle engines. Its specific gravity is 0.86 to 0.95. It has a relatively low ignition temperature of 540 degrees centigrade. It is ignited by the heat of compression. The hydrocarbons in diesel oil contain between 13 and 25 carbon atoms. Non-petroleum based liquid fuels. Number 4. Alcohol. It is an artificial liquid fuel that is produced by the fermentation of vegetable matters such as potatoes, beet, etc. The energy content is low. Common alcohols are methanol, methyl alcohol, ethanol, ethyl alcohol and butanol. Ethanol is used as a fuel in combustion with gasoline in the ratio of 9:1 to help reduce the environmental effects of gasoline. It is also used in industries and finds its use in perfume and cosmetics. It is generally costlier than gasoline. 5th. Biodiesel. It is a domestically produced renewable fuel that is produced from vegetable oils, animal oils or fats, waste cooking oil, recycled grease, etc. It is a clean burning replacement for petroleum, diesel fuel and is non-toxic and biodegradable. These oils are converted to biodiesel by a process called transesterification. Biodiesel can be used either as a pure fuel or blended with petroleum in certain percentages. Biodiesel burns clean, it results in a significant reduction of the types of pollutants contributing to smog and global warming, and emits up to 85% fewer cancer-causing agents. Biodiesel fuel should be stored in clean, dry, dark environment, and the storage tanks may be of aluminium, steel, fluorinated polyethylene, etc. B100 means 100% biodiesel. B20 means mixture of 20% by volume of biodiesel and 80% by volume of petroleum diesel. And the last is gaseous fuels. The fuels occur as natural gas near the petroleum fields under the Earth's surface. First, natural gas. It is a fossil fuel found in or near the petroleum field under Earth's surface. It consists of methane together with small amounts of other gases such as ethane, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. It is one of the safest and cleanest fuels available, which emits less pollution than other fossil fuels. It produces mostly carbon dioxide and water vapor. It is a non-renewable energy resource mostly used for cooking, heating, generation of electricity, as fuel for vehicles, and as a chemical feedstock in plastics manufacture and organic chemicals. 2. Coal gas. It is a flammable gaseous fuel obtained by the carbonation of bituminous coal in the absence of air at 1300 degrees centigrade. It consists of mainly hydrogen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and methane. To increase the yield, steam is added to react with hot coke. The byproducts obtained are coke and coal tar. It is used in gas engines and also for lighting applications. 3. Producer gas. It is a mixture of flammable gases such as carbon monoxide and oxygen, and non-flammable gases such as carbon dioxide and nitrogen. It is obtained by partial combustion of coal or coke in a medium air steam blast. It has a lower heating value compared to other gaseous fuels. It is used in glass melting and power generation. It is also used as a fuel in large industrial furnaces. Producer gas containing hydrogen is a source material in the manufacture of synthetic ammonia. 4. Water gas. It is a synthesis gas which contains carbon monoxide and hydrogen. It is obtained by passing steam over the incandescent coke. The endothermic reaction between steam and hydrocarbons produces the gas mixture. It is flammable and requires careful handling. It is used in furnaces and in welding. 5. Mond gas. It is produced by passing air and large amount of steam over waste coal at around 650 degrees centigrade. It consists of carbon monoxide, hydrogen, methane, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. It can be produced very cheaply. It is used in gas engines for heating applications and power generation. Number 6. Blast furnace gas. It is obtained as a byproduct in the production of pig iron in the blast furnace. It has a low calorific value and contains nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and some amount of oxygen. It is used in boilers, power plants, steel works and gas engines. This gas is toxic in nature. Number 7. Coke oven gas. It is obtained by the carbonation of bituminous coal in an oven at around 900 to 1000 degrees centigrade in the absence of air. It has a medium calorific value and it contains 50% hydrogen, 30% methane, 7% each of carbon monoxide and nitrogen, 3% each of carbon dioxide and higher hydrocarbons. This gas is toxic in nature and can explode. It is used for industrial heating. It is also used as a raw material for the synthesis of ammonia. Number 8. Sewer gas. It is a complex mixture of toxic and non-toxic gases which are produced and collected in sewage systems by the decomposition of organic household or industrial wastes. Methane is the principal constituent. Though toxic in nature and causes harmful effects on health, the sewer gas can be used as a power source by piping it into a cleaning system and then used as a fuel to power a generator or combined heat and power plant. With this, we have come to the end of this session on various non-renewable energy resources. Thank you.